Blaming the government for farmers' misery, the Congress Party Vice President Rahul Gandhi, in his new aggressive avatar, said that the government had failed completely to help the farmers. Hence, so many of them were suffering. Taking on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi said that since the Prime Minister is currently in the country, perhaps for a short period, he must take time out to visit Punjab and understand the plight of farmers.
आपकी सरकार जब ओला पड़ा, आपकी सरकार ने किसान की मदद नहीं की, किसान ने सह लिया। बोनस मिलता था वो खत्म कर दिया, किसान ने सह लिया। खाद नहीं दिया, लाठी पड़ी, किसान ने सह लिया। और अब मंडी में जो उनका गेहूं है वो उठाया नहीं जा रहा है।
You can take out the records to see that how 10 days ago the Punjab government decided that it was going to give full MSP to the farmers and procure the last grain of rice that the farmers had to offer. This drama of Rahul Gandhi's of visiting the mandi is nothing more than a farce. His government was in power for 10 years. He never went to a single mandi or to a single farmer in spite of rains and hailstorms and droughts taking place in different parts of the country every year.
So if there was an aggressive Rahul Gandhi in Parliament, an equally aggressive Harsimrat Kaur Badal outside Parliament, and my colleague Brijesh Pandey caught up with her. Let's listen in.
We have with us Harsimrat Kaur. Ma'am, yesterday Rahul Gandhi went to Punjab and Punjab government announced a major sop for farmers. Congress is calling it as a victory of Rahul Gandhi. How do you react on this?
I think you need to get your facts right. If you read the newspapers of 1 week back where the Punjab government took a cabinet decision, you can take out the records to see that how 10 days ago the Punjab government decided that it was going to give full MSP to the farmers and procure the last grain of rice that the farmers had to offer. This drama of Rahul Gandhi's of visiting the mandi is nothing more than a farce. His government was in power for 10 years. He never went to a single mandi or to a single farmer in spite of rains and hailstorms and droughts taking place in different parts of the country every year. So this entire drama of him being enacted is only to undo the fact of how for 2 months he was relaxing in some corner of the world while rain and hailstorms were affecting the farmer, and the existing government, all top leaders were in the fields with the farmers, holding their hand and trying to help them out. So state governments have gone all out. Central government has gone all out to help these farmers. Now Rahul Gandhi is trying to retrieve his vacation by doing a drama of either taking a trek to Kedarnath or going and visiting a mandi to try and catch up with the plight of the farmers, which he didn't know while he was vacationing.
But is this new avatar of Rahul Gandhi a cause of concern for you and the BJP in Punjab?
Rahul Gandhi's track record shows that he's adopted so many new avatars. And these avatars of his are usually like a tube light which flickers on and off now and then. So how long this avatar lasts, I think it's only till the day till he takes over presidency of the Congress party, which has been decided and which is being refuted and fought about in the Congress party itself. And after that, he will revert back to what his track record has been, which is in front of
This was Harsimrat Kaur with camera person Sanjeev. Brijesh Pandey for Headlines Today.
So Harsimrat Kaur Badal there launching a frontal attack on Rahul Gandhi. But before that, in Parliament, in fact, since yesterday, Rahul Gandhi has been in the attack mode. Rahul Gandhi took a train to Ambala. Then he travelled to Sirhind. He went to a mandi. He spoke to farmers. He spoke to labourers. And you're looking at those pictures on your television screen. Rahul Gandhi in Punjab. Rahul Gandhi in Parliament today. And of course, now he's on his way to Maharashtra, where he will be interacting with farmers once again. Joining me now is Headlines Today's Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey. Brijesh, take us through the new Congress party's strategy. Is this to relaunch Rahul Gandhi at a bigger stage, or is this first, as Harsimrat Kaur Badal says, to address the inner issue and launch him as the party president?
Well, Gaurav, the buzz in the parliament is that wherever Rahul was in his 58 days, it has done him a world of good. Because if you see the way he has been approaching this second leg of budget session in parliament, it has kind of galvanized Congress party. The party says that, you know, that it was the intention, the whole intention is to relaunch Rahul Gandhi in a bigger avatar, and so far that relaunch attempt has been fairly successful. He has been able to put the government on back foot, and yesterday when the result of when the Punjab government finally announced the 4,000 crore SOP, it was perceived as pressure from the Congress party, though Harsimrat Kaur completely denied it and said that basically Rahul Gandhi is just trying to score political brownie points because he was not present there. But the government definitely is on the back foot, and today's decision in the cabinet is also being seen as an attempt by the government to deflect the charges of Congress that this government is anti-farmer. So clearly the government is on the back foot, and the strategy which is being adopted by Rahul Gandhi is succeeding as of now. Gaurav?
Keep tracking that story, Brijesh. I will come back to you for more